This Align Right Realty property video is presented by CHAMPIONSGATE. Welcome to this amazed fully furnished vacation home in the community of CHAMPIONSGATE. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhome features a fantastic floor plan, a spacious master bedroom, a beautiful upgraded kitchen which comes with stainless steel appliances and designed cabinets, and a luxury living room that you can access to the private screened and heated pool, perfect for enjoying the Florida sunshine. Community/HOA provides access to the 6 tennis courts, and the stunning OASIS Clubhouse with high-end amenities such as restaurant, fitness room, cinema, volleyball courts, and luxurious, resort-style pool with heated spa. Very conveniently located and close to Disney theme parks, outlet malls, shopping, and restaurants. Great vacation home and investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact CHAMPIONSGATE at 813-702-9797.